Types of cloud computing and cloud computing services.
Types of cloud computing. Cloud computing has several different types. Public, private, and hybrid clouds are the three types of clouds. Each type necessitates a different level of client management and offers a different level of security. Public cloud. In a public cloud, the whole computer infrastructure is situated on the cloud provider's premises, and the provider offers services to the client through the internet. Customers do not have to manage their own IT and may rapidly add more users or computer power as needed. In this arrangement, many tenants share the cloud provider's IT infrastructure. Private cloud. A private cloud is only utilized by one enterprise. It might be hosted at the organization's site or at the data center of the cloud provider. The maximum degree of protection and control is provided by a private cloud. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is a blend of public and private clouds. In general, hybrid cloud clients host their mission-critical apps on their own servers for more protection and control, while secondary applications are stored at the cloud provider's location. Cloud computing services. Cloud services are classified into three types: software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS. There is no one-size-fits-all strategy to cloud computing. Rather, it is about identifying the best solution to meet your specific company needs. SaaS. SaaS is a software delivery paradigm in which the cloud provider hosts the customer's applications on its servers. The consumer uses the internet to access those applications. Rather of purchasing and maintaining their own computer infrastructure, SaaS clients benefit from a pay-as-you-go subscription to the service. PaaS. Customers benefit from PaaS by having access to the developer tools they need to build and manage mobile and web apps without having to invest in or maintain the underlying infrastructure. The infrastructure and middleware components are hosted by the provider, and the consumer accesses those services using a web browser. IaaS. IaaS provides clients with on-demand access to infrastructure services through the internet. The main benefit is that the cloud provider hosts the infrastructure components that give computing, storage, and network capacity to subscribers so that they may execute their workloads in the cloud. The cloud subscriber is typically in charge of installing, setting, protecting, and maintaining any software on cloud-native solutions, such as database, middleware, and application software.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Otherwise, till next time.